आयुर्वेदस्य च वैद्यकेन योगाकरोत्तं प्रवरं मुनीनां पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरानतोऽस्मि.
Namaste. Welcome you all for the yoga session. In this session we are going to use a chair and a blanket and a mat. We are going to do some basic postures for the core muscles, followed by some postures for the health of the shoulder complex using the chair. We shall begin with some preliminary movements. Lie on your back, resting the legs on the seat of the chair. Lying down like this itself has a lot of usefulness, especially for the lower back. The lumbar region rests properly. Keep the palms on the abdomen. As we inhale, abdominal cavity should expand. As we exhale, it should contract. Stretch both arms up. Watch your breathing. As we inhale, abdominal cavity should expand. As we exhale, it should contract. Now raise your right leg up. Pull the kneecap, stretch the heel. Toes towards the knee. Tighten the front of the thigh, the quadriceps. Keeping the chair like this is very useful even for those who have a weak back. Right leg down, chain, left leg. Pull the kneecap, stretch the heel. Feel the back of the thigh, the hamstrings and also the calf muscle. Keep on stretching both the arms. Develop a feel for the back muscles. Down. One more time. Right leg. Stretch the heel. Pull the kneecap. This is a simple posture to set the muscles of the legs to a good tone. It also helps the hip and the lower back. Right leg down, left leg. Pull the kneecap, stretch the heel. Get connected with your breathing. Watch the posterior surface. The region of the pelvis and lower back, because of the chair, gets a good position to relax. Release left leg. Right leg up. Fold. From both hands, hold the right knee. Press the knee towards the chest. Stretch the right heel. Tighten the back of the thigh. This is good for the gluteal muscles. This is also useful for the back muscles Release right leg, chain. Left leg, fold, hold the knee, press the knee closer to the chest. Gluteal muscles have an important role on the health of the lower back. This is a simple posture to energize these muscles for further action. Good breathing also helps the abdominal organs. Release left leg. One more time, right leg up, fold, hold the knee, press the knee closer to the chest. Breathe well. Even simply lying down, resting the legs on the chair will do a great help to the legs and also to the back. So a simple chair like this is quite effective in relaxing the back and the legs. Release right leg, chain, left leg, fold, hold the knee, press the knee closer to the chest. The chair can be used by all those who begin to do the yogic postures, and people who are aged and people who have weak back, or when there is too much of fatigue, people can use the chair effectively to overcome the fatigue. Release left leg. Right leg up, fold, from left hand hold the ankle joint, pull the heel closer to the root of the left thigh, from right hand push the knee. Ensure to engage the right knee capsule by contracting the hamstrings against the calf muscle. This posture is useful for the base of the spine. Release right leg, chain, left leg up, fold, from right hand hold the ankle joint, pull the heel closer to the root of the right thigh, from left hand push the knee. Watch the base of the spine. The sacroiliac joint gets a mild, useful movement in this. Incidentally, the posture is also good for the knee. Release left leg. Right leg up, fold, pull the heel to the root of the left thigh and push the right knee. With every inhalation, exhalation, you should feel the base of the spine. Get completely involved with the action, with the breathing. Release the right leg, chain, left leg up, fold it across, taking the left heel to the root of the right thigh. If the knee is stiff, you should be judicious in imparting appropriate amount of folding or flexion to the knee. Release left leg. Breathe with awareness. Right leg up. Fold. From left hand, hold the right ankle joint. Pull. From right hand, push the right knee across the chest. You have to use the strength of the arms. From the left hand, you should pull the ankle joint. From the right arm, you should push the knee across the chest. This is a very useful stretch for the gluteal maximus muscle. It's one of the major muscles in the hip. Release right leg, chain, left leg. Fold from right hand, hold the ankle joint, pull from left hand, push the knee across the chest. When you do this, you should also ensure that the pelvic rim does not rotate out of the mat. Breathe well. So most of these movements are oriented towards toning of the core muscles around the lumbar, pelvis and hip. Release left leg. One more time, right leg up, fold from left hand, hold the ankle joint, pull from right hand, push the knee across the chest. The core muscles in this region of the lower back, abdomen, pelvis and hip, they have a critical role in many movements that we do. So to set their tone before we embark upon such activities is desirable. Release right leg, chain, left leg. Fold, hold the knee. From right hand, pull the ankle joint. From left hand, push the knee across the chest. Do not lose track of the breathing. You must be present throughout. All muscles you must be able to watch. Then you must be able to be focused on your breathing also. That way the mind gets into the state of present. Release left leg. Just be relaxed. Slowly get up from the right side. Sit upright. Turn the chair so that the top of the chair is nearer to you. Keep a blanket, knee on the blanket, palm resting on the seat of the chair. Watch the distance. You have to appropriately adjust the distance. Inhale, exhale, move down. Press the palm, keep the arm straight. Inhale, come up. Inhale, exhale, move down. Inhale, slowly come up to the level of the top of the chair. Inhale, exhale, move down. Feel the region of the armpit, chest, the upper cavity of the chest. Keep the palm pressed. Do not flex the elbows. Slowly, as you inhale, come up. Then as you exhale, move down, keeping the arms straight. We are giving a mild, soothing flexion movement for the shoulders. As you inhale, come up. Then slowly come back, sit upright on the heels. Now keep the wrist on the top of the chair, knee on the blanket, arms straight. As you exhale, move down, keeping the arms straight. Neck relaxed. Feel the stretch in the armpit. And this movement also helps the muscles surrounding the neck. Slowly come up. Then again slowly move down. Keep the arms straight. Wrist should rest on the top of the chair. Arms straight. Slowly come up. Then slowly move down. Keep the wrist on the top of the chair. Wrist should not slide. Arm should not flex. Feel the complete chest cavity. Complete chest cavity gets a good soothing stretch. Slowly come up. One more time. As you exhale, move down. Keep the arms straight. So feel the stretch in and around the armpit. Slowly come up, then come back, sit on your heel. Take out the blanket, stand upright in Tadasana. Come close to the chair. Rest both the wrists on top of the chair and slowly walk back. Foot 6 inches apart, foot parallel. Arms straight, but neck relaxed. Legs straight. Pull the kneecap, roll the thighs inward. And then push the shoulders down so that you get a very good stretch for the upper chest as well as the armpit. This is a very useful posture for the arms as well as the back. Hips and the hamstring muscles are also involved. Watch your breathing. As you inhale, abdominal cavity should expand. As you exhale, it should contract. Slowly walk forward and come to Tadasana. One more time. You don't have to hold the chair, rest the wrists, then slowly walk back, stretching the spine. So the bending is from the hip. This is a hip flexion, but arms straight. Anchor the wrists firmly and then move the chest down, relax the neck. And pull the kneecap, roll the thighs in, stretch the spine, watch your armpits, shoulder joints, upper arm, elbow, forearm. Slowly walk forward, stand in Tadasana. Again rest the wrists, move back, pull the kneecaps, keep the arms absolutely straight. To impart better stretch, flex the knee and move the shoulders down towards the floor while being firm on the wrist. So here the armpit and the chest gets a better opening when you flex the legs and move the upper body slightly down. Now straighten the legs, walk forward, stand upright, now rest your right wrist at the center of the top of the chair and then walk back. Left hand on the chest, right hand absolutely straight, then gently bend forward, twist the trunk from left hand, hold the right ankle joint. This is an excellent stretch for the shoulder joint. There is stretching, there is also loading. There are both in terms of flexibility and strength. The shoulder gets benefited. Keep the legs straight. Slowly come up, walk forward. Rest the left wrist on top of the chair at the center. Then slowly walk back, both legs straight, pull the kneecap, roll the thighs. Now gently twist from right hand, hold the left ankle joint. Watch your left hand, be firm. This engages the shoulder and upper chest. Feel the region of the armpit, feel the shoulder capsule, stretch the upper arm, breathe well, slow inhalation, slow exhalation. Slowly come up, walk forward, stand upright. Rest the right wrist on the middle of the top of the chair, walk back. Left hand folded in front of the trunk, legs straight, right hand absolutely straight. Now gently move the legs to your right, but still the foot should not change the orientation. It should be straight, pointing in line with the chair, and hip should not rotate. That is, from heel to the hip, legs have to be perpendicular, but right hand absolutely straight. Now feel the shoulder and the lateral trunk. Slowly come back to the center. Right wrist firm, walk forward. Stand upright. Chain. Left wrist on the middle of the top of the chair, walk back, right hand folded in front. Left arm absolutely straight. Gently move to your left side. Note that the direction of the foot should not change. Hold the hip firm and stable. Just watch the muscles connecting the upper arm, shoulder and the upper cavity of the chest. They all get a very good rejuvenating movement. Slowly move to the center, keeping the left hand straight, walk forward, stand upright. Rest wrist, rest the right wrist on the middle of the chair, walk back, left hand folded in front. Now move to your left side, but do not shift the position of the right wrist. We are trying to give a varied degrees of movement to engage all the muscles connecting the arm to the chest. Move to the center, keeping the right hand absolutely straight, walk forward, stand upright. Left wrist on the middle of the chair, walk back, right hand folded in front of the trunk, left hand absolutely straight. Gently move to your right side without changing the orientation of the foot, without moving the hips out of the plane. Left hand absolutely straight. Watch your shoulder joint. All these movements are good for the so-called rotator cuff muscles. Come back to the middle, keeping the left hand straight, walk forward, stand upright. The rotator cuff muscles have a great impact on the health of the shoulder joints, and for them to be healthy, the surrounding musculatures also need to be healthy. That is why the necessity for a wide variety of movements as you are practicing. Right wrist on the middle of the chair, walk back, take the left arm on your back, flex the knees, taking a good load on your right arm, but right hand straight. Straighten the knee. Now move to your right side, then flex the knee. When you flex the knee, the loading on the shoulder joint increases. So the movement plus the loading. Again, come to the middle, move to your left side, then flex the knee. In all this, you should keep the right hand absolutely straight and you should not move the position of the right wrist. Extend the knee and move to the center. Keeping the right hand straight, slowly walk forward. Stand upright. Rest the left wrist on top of the chair at the center. Walk back. Right hand on the back. Both legs straight. Left hand absolutely straight. Watch the shoulder joint, shoulder capsule. Now flex the knees so that the loading at the left shoulder increases. Keep the left arm straight, straighten the legs, move gently to your left side, then flex the knee, ensure that the orientation of the foot does not change. Take the loading on the shoulder joint, straighten the legs, move to the center, then move gently to your right side, keeping the left hand straight. Flex the knee. Feel the enhanced stretch at the armpit. Feel the muscles connecting the upper arm and the trunk. Straighten the legs. Slowly shift to the center. Stand upright. Now rest the elbows on top of the chair, press the palm, walk back, take the head down below the arms, press the palm, move the palm closer to the scapulae and then flex the knee. Feel the stretch in the armpit. This is an excellent stretch for the region of the armpit. You have to flex the knee, load the base of the shoulder joints, well up on the chest. You have to rest the elbows on the top of the chair. Slowly straighten the legs. Walk forward and come up. Stand upright. One more time, rest the elbows. Keep the elbows closer, press the palm. Move the head down. Press the palm. Move the palm closer to the scapulae. Move the legs back. Keep the legs straight and then flex the knee so that you can get enhanced stretch. Slowly straighten the legs, move forward, stand upright. Sit with cross-legged, with the chair to your right side. Sit upright, about 1.5 feet away from the chair. At the center of the chair, now rest the right wrist on top of the chair and gently bend, taking the head closer to your right knee. Right hand absolutely straight. Breathe well. Feel the right shoulder joint. Tighten the muscles of the right upper arm. Firmly anchor the right wrist. Slowly come up. Change side. Sit upright. Rest the left wrist on the middle of the chair. Left hand straight. Slowly twist and bend forward, taking the head close to the left knee. Left hand absolutely straight. Now feel the region of the armpit, the lateral chest, upper chest. No muscle acts in isolation. They are all connected one to another. So these variety of movements will engage all pattern of movements so that the complete muscular system can stay healthy. Left hand absolutely straight, slowly come up. Left hand down. Just watch the region of the shoulders. Sit upright facing the chair. Right hand straight, resting the wrist on the left knee. From left hand, hold the wrist, pull it and slightly bend forward. This is a simple stretch to relax the region of the shoulder complex. A good stretch for the deltoid muscles. Slowly come up, chain. Left wrist on right knee. From right hand, hold the wrist, pull it and then bend forward. You can see that the scapular region, the complete shoulder complex gets a soothing stretch in this posture. Slowly come up, sit upright. Turn the chair. Sit upright. Rest the foot parallel, trunk and navel up. Take both hands to the back, hold the seat of the chair, press the base of the palm on the chair and open the chest. Roll the shoulders out, chest and navel up. This is a simple extension movement which can almost be done by anyone. We'll open the chest. Breathe well. Release both hands. Now press the base of the palm on the sides of the chair. Keeping the palms by the side of the hips, arms straight. Inhale, exhale, rise the hips up. Rise the center of the chest up. Press the foot. Well open the chest. This is also a simple extension movement for the shoulder joint. Also it is useful for the back. Neck relaxed. Breathe consciously. Do not hold the breath. Slowly come down. Press the base of the palm. One more time. Inhale, exhale, rise. Note the distance between the chair and the foot. Center of the chest up. Neck completely relaxed, which means the neck is also into hyperextension. So all these shoulder movements in some sense also help the neck. This movement is also good for the upper chest cavity. It also prevents the shoulder joints from the rounded off posture. Slowly come down, sit on top of the chair. Rest the palm completely on the seat of the chair, middle finger pointing forward. Inhale, exhale, rise. Position of the palm may be noted. Now watch the loading on the wrist. Press the palm completely. Press the foot also. And open the chest. Slowly come down. One more time. Inhale, exhale, rise. Chest up. Relax the neck. Breathe consciously. Slowly descend. Sit upright. Watch the shoulder complex. Clasp the fingers at the back. Now to open it out, that is, first the thumb should come down and then move back, so that the shoulder gets an external rotation. Then press the palm on the seat of the chair. Well open the chest. Inhale, exhale, rise the hips up. In this you can see that the scapulae move much closer and the chest, especially the top of the chest, gets a better enhanced stretch. It's also useful for the wrists and the elbows. Slowly come down. Relax both arms. One more time, clasp the fingers, open the face of the palm, by moving it downward so that shoulders rotate externally and open out. Press the palms on the chair, inhale, exhale, rise, hips up. We'll open the chest. Feel the region around the clavicle. The complete thoracic region gets a good stretch. The thoracic outlets where the brachial nerves pass through also get a very relieving movement in this posture. Slowly come down, relax both arms. Sit on the mat in front of the chair. You have to match the distances properly. Be seated upright. Stretch the legs a little forward. Press both the palm by the side of the hips, middle finger pointing forward. Inhale, exhale, contract the abdominal muscles and rise up. Take the legs one after the other onto the seat of the chair. Legs straight, then chest up, neck relaxed, arms perpendicular to the floor, legs, hip, trunk nearly parallel to the ground. This is a very good strengthening movement for the shoulder joint. Also enhances the flexibility of the shoulder joint. Slowly come down. Check out the legs. Come back. Sit in Swastikasana. Shoulder joint is very complex joint. It has got a wide range of movements, but in terms of stability it is not as good as the hip joint. One more time, press the palms by the side of the hips, middle finger pointing forward, flex the knee, inhale, exhale, rise the hips, take your right leg and then the left leg on top of the chair, rise the hip up, chest up. We'll open the shoulders, then relax the neck muscles. Doing this way also helps to strengthen the back muscles. And in all these shoulder movements, neck also stands to benefit. Legs straight, you have to pull the kneecap, roll the thighs in. Press the palm, feel the pressure on the base of the palm. We'll open the shoulder joint. Watch your clavicle. On both sides you should watch the clavicle or the collarbone. Slowly come down. Move back and sit in Swastikasana. The gliding of the scapulae or the shoulder blades, that smooth movement is also very important. Now clasp the fingers at the back, open the face of the palm, taking the thumb down and then out, so that shoulder joints gets an external rotation. Flex the knees, rise the hips up, take both legs on top of the seat of the chair, legs straight, rise the hips, relax the neck. Legs, hip, trunk nearly parallel to the ground. Press the palm, watch your wrist, watch your elbow, shoulder joint. Here the chest gets a further enhanced stretch. The scapulae move closer to the spine. Slowly come down. Release the arms, take the legs down, sit upright in Swastikasana. Watch the complete shoulder complex and especially the region of the upper chest. Now come to the all fours position, sitting close to the chair, middle finger pointing forward. Take the legs one after the other on top of the chair, resting the toes on the chair, arms straight. Trunk and legs nearly parallel to the ground. Now as you exhale, flex the elbows, move down. Then straighten the elbows, move up. Good for the muscles of the arms. Flex the elbow, move down. Then straighten the elbows, move up. Slowly come down. Sit in the all fours. One more time. Take your right leg and then the left leg, fold the toes on top of the chair, arms straight. Inhale, exhale, flex the elbow, move down. Then move up by straightening the arms. One more time. Inhale, exhale, move down. Flex the elbow, watch your wrist, watch your elbow, watch your shoulder joint. Then straighten the arms, move up. Slowly come down. These movements also help to strengthen the muscles around the shoulder complex and also the muscles of the upper arm. Sit upright on the chair. Rest the wrist on the knee. Relax the shoulders. Tip of the thumb and index finger in contact. Elbows flexed but trunk upright. Foot should rest on the floor. Relax your tongue, nose, throat and the jaws. Pay attention to the shoulder complex. Look at your shoulder joints. Look at the upper arm, elbow, forearm, wrist and the palm. Especially watch the collarbone. On one side it is connected to the shoulder or blade or the shoulder bone. On the other side it is connected to the sternum, center of the chest. Then watch your shoulder blades. Watch your throat and the neck. Be relaxed. Namaste.
Yogena chittasya padena vacha malam sharirasya cha vaidhyake